Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by exposing the failing paint. Ventilate the room and remove any loose flakes now. Use a 3-inch putty knife plus a wire brush to get down to a firm edge. This prevents future lifting. Scrape until you feel solid substrate, and then vacuum or wipe dust with a damp cloth. Make sure fixtures, tiles, and the floor are covered with plastic sheeting and painter's tape so cleanup is quick. Once done, inspect for soft spots that need deeper repair. Now you repair and ready the surface. If the drywall or plaster is soft, cut back to solid material and fill with vinyl spackling or a moisturated epoxy patch. Level it and let it cure. Sand the patched and surrounding area with 120-180 grit until feathered, then remove dust with a tack cloth so primer bonds. Apply one even coat of a bathroom-grade, mildew-resistant primer, concentrating on raw edges and exposed substrate so top-coat adhesion is reliable. Finish by applying the top coat. Choose a semi-gloss or satin bathroom paint and roll or brush 1 to 2 thin coats, waiting 2 to 4 hours between coats per manufacturer directions. Recaulk any gaps with mildew-resistant caulk and smooth it while wet. Make sure ventilation stays on during cure. If peeling returns, check for hidden moisture, ventilation, leaks, or switch to a high-adhesion primer and repeat repairs. Addressing moisture is the single most important troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.